everyone, my name is Teresa Cruz and I'm here to share with you my craft room tour. Olá a todos, meu nome é Teresa Cruz e eu estou aqui para vos mostrar o meu craft room, o espaço onde eu costumo fazer as minhas criações. Vamos começar aqui pela estante principal. Let's begin with this part here. This is where I keep my most recent collection from Graphic 45. Aqui que eu deixo as minhas coleções da Graphic, as mais recentes. Os packs. E aqui coloco os meus acessórios. Os chipboards, os efêmeras, os stickers, nesta gavetinha antiga. This is where I keep my ephemeras, chipboards and tags. On top I have all my projects that I already made for many different purposes. Em cima eu tenho os meus projetos, vários projetos diferentes, então eu tenho várias prateleiras. Aqui também tenho alguns projetos e alguns materiais para utilizar. This is where I keep some materials of my projects, some cards, cardstock. Aqui eu guardo as minhas cartolinas aqui em baixo, nesta secção aqui, cartolinas de cor. Aqui tenho mais projetos e fotografias, algumas coisas. Deste lado aqui tenho os meus journals. Aqui tenho os álbuns da Graphic 45, os vários álbuns. Nestas gavetinhas aqui tenho tudo que é flores e na gaveta de baixo também. Aqui, nesta secção aqui, this is where, in the drawers, I have my flowers, and here the journals. And here I have embossing powders and beads and pearls, sequins. Aqui é onde eu guardo os pós de embossing, as lantejoulas, as pérolas, tudo que é embellishments. Nesta gavetinha aqui eu tenho vários tipos de material, pérolas, aqueles que estão agarradinhos aos stickers dos cristais. E tenho também, I have the pearls, I have the glitter, all in this drawer. Here I have my Canon selfie and the paper for it. Aqui eu tenho a minha impressorinha. Here I have the waxes on the drawer. Here. And also here I have dies, collections, stencils and dies. Here I have metals and the stamping tool and the cleaning stamps tool. Esta é a placa de carimbar. Aqui tenho as ceras, cortantes, stencils, coleções. Nesta gaveta já falei. Deste lado tenho cortantes. Here I have dies. And on the back I have stamps and embossing folders. And here I have books and some tools, memory planner. Here I have some of the rubber stamps. Eu tenho os meus carimbos. Most of them are Graphic 45. I store them like so. Eu guardo aqui os meus carimbos nestes dois arquivadores. Alguns dos carimbos que eu tenho em baixo. Some of my rubber stamps. Here I have some tools. Aqui eu tenho algumas das minhas ferramentas. Here. The punches, the guillotine, the scoring board, and the cinch on the back. I also have more dies and stamps. This is from Elizabeth Craft Design. I have some sewing thread, fio de costura e flores, flowers. And that's it for this shelf. Now let's move on. Here I have my IKEA, I don't know the name of this, with many different things here. I have these things for distress. I have this to go on my projects. This 3D foam, adhesive, and many other things. I also have the plates for my Sizzix and baby wipes and many other things. What's here? I have the inks. Aqui eu tenho as minhas tintas de várias marcas. Here I have eyelets and glue gun and other tools. Here I have stamps, punches, many different dies, Sizzix and spellbinding stuff. Here, I don't know if you can see, more tools and crafting sewing tools, cenas de costura, molds. Here I have my molds. And here I have the ribbons, as fitas. Here I have the pieces made with gesso, with the molds, flowers and more ribbons. And here I have the sewing drawer, a minha gaveta de costura. And here I have mixed media stuff. On top I have a box with junk journal stuff, and this is a vase. Here I have my sewing machine and the thing that I use very much to put stuff that I want to use on my project. This is my I don't know the name in English. Here I have many different embellishments, pearls, hard stones and water and distress stains and inks and things that I need to finish. Here on top I have my shelf with, here I have inks, acrylic paints, Lindy's and Finnabair and other inks and other mixed media stuff. Let's put my camera here. Oh, let's see. Here I have my silhouette cameo that I don't use much. Here I have many different plates to use on my projects, to put inks and papers and die cuts and ephemeras, my rulers, my crafting mat. Here is the Graphic 45 crafting mat. This is the Tim Holtz mat. And the next one, I have these papers that I already inked and are ready to use on projects. My mat for the silhouette and the cable. Here I have the journaling stuff. Many different things for journaling. I have some things like words and sentiments already stamped, washi tapes and other stuff. Here I have by color many ephemeras and washi tapes. In this one I have papers to coloring and other things. Here I have baby wipes and stuff for cleaning and other things. On this one, many different things, like this thing, I don't know in English, and scoring tape, I don't know the name, postage, drawing pens, watercolors and pencils and other stuff. This is all chipboards, more chipboards and more chipboards. Here I have headphones and other stuff. In this one I have my lace, more ribbons and mixed media stuff, and here I have my computer where I can edit my videos. In here I have my updated mat for my mouse, beautiful. On the table, let's see what I have on my table. I have the scissors, the brushes, paint brushes, brushes for distress, fine brushes, glue, and a candle, my lamp, the tripod to put my camera here so I can craft, and I put the camera here, the webcam. Here I have my Sizzix, and I have also this and this, my guillotine and my pencil case. I hope you enjoyed this video. Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado deste vídeo. Foi uma rápida visita aqui pelo meu ateliê. This was a very quick craft room tour, but if you have any questions, please leave me in the comments. Se tiverem alguma dúvida, deixem nos comentários que eu fico muito feliz por vos responder. Don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy. Espero que vocês não se esqueçam de deixar o like, subscrever para mais vídeos e aproveitem, usufruam o vosso ateliê. Espero que este vídeo tenha sido inspirador. Bye! Beijinhos!